Glock Pistols, an epitome of modern firearm engineering, are a global standard for reliability and innovation. Designed by Gaston Glock, these polymer-framed handguns revolutionized the industry with their durability, simplicity, and high magazine capacity. Renowned for their consistent performance and widespread adoption by military, law enforcement, and civilians, Glocks offer a wide range of models and calibers to suit various needs. Their distinctive design and proven track record solidify their status as a trusted choice in the realm of handguns. Number 8. Glock 19X is a reliable and versatile handgun that is perfect for self-defense, law enforcement, and military applications. With a compact design and a 4.02 barrel, this pistol is easy to carry and conceal, yet delivers excellent accuracy and stopping power. The Glock 19X features a durable polymer frame and a stainless steel slide, as well as a comfortable grip and intuitive controls for easy operation. It also has a low-profile design for reduced recoil and improved shooting accuracy. The 19X is chambered in 9mm and offers a 17+1 round capacity. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or a beginner, the Glock 19X is a reliable and high-performance handgun that is perfect for any situation. Number 7. Glock 30th is a limited edition, commemorative firearm designed to celebrate the 30th anniversary of the Glock brand. This sleek and stylish pistol boasts a striking silver slide, adorned with intricate engravings of the Glock logo and the number 30. The frame is crafted from durable polymer, ensuring a lightweight and comfortable grip, while the barrel and trigger mechanism are precision-engineered to deliver powerful and accurate shots. With a 10-round magazine capacity and a range of safety features, including a trigger safety and a loaded chamber indicator, the Glock 30th is a reliable and versatile weapon for both personal protection and recreational shooting. Whether you're a collector or a firearms enthusiast, this exclusive model is a must-have addition to any collection. Number 6. Glock 26 Gen 5 is a compact and reliable handgun designed for concealed carry and personal defense. With a magazine capacity of 10 rounds, this pistol packs a punch with its 9mm caliber. The Gen 5 features a newly designed slide with an enhanced grip pattern and an ambidextrous slide stop lever for ease of use. The Glock Marksman barrel, DMB, ensures maximum accuracy and precision while shooting at close ranges. The trigger offers a crisp and consistent pull for increased control and accuracy. The modular backstrap system allows for customization of the grip to fit different hand sizes. With its durable polymer frame and safe action system, the Glock 26 Gen 5 is a top choice for law enforcement agencies and civilians alike. Whether for personal defense or a day at the range, the Glock 26 Gen 5 delivers reliable performance and unmatched accuracy. Number 5. Glock 45 is a high-performance handgun that is designed to deliver superior accuracy, reliability, and durability. This pistol features a compact, lightweight design that makes it easy to handle and carry, while the ergonomic grip provides a comfortable and secure hold. The Glock 45 has a smooth trigger pull and a fixed front sight with a rear sight that is adjustable for windage and elevation, allowing for greater precision when shooting. Its durable polymer frame and slide are resistant to wear and tear, and the innovative safe action system ensures that the gun can only be fired when the trigger is pulled. Whether you are a law enforcement officer, a military member, or a civilian gun enthusiast, the Glock 45 is a versatile and reliable choice for any shooting application. Number 4. Glock 43 is a highly reliable compact pistol designed for concealed carry. With a slim, single-stack design, this pistol is easy to conceal and carry comfortably for extended periods. The 43 features a 6+1 capacity and is chambered in 9mm, making it an ideal choice for personal defense. The pistol's barrel measures 3.39 inches, and it has an overall length of 6.26 inches. The Glock 43 is designed with a safe actioner system, ensuring maximum safety for the shooter. The pistol's frame is constructed from high-strength polymer, providing a lightweight and durable build. The 43 also comes with the option of a factory-installed laser sight, further enhancing its accuracy and ease of use. For those seeking a reliable and compact pistol for everyday carry, the Glock 43 is an excellent choice. Number 3. Glock 41 is a powerful and reliable firearm that is designed for the most demanding of shooting situations. This pistol features a full-sized frame and a long slide, which provides superior accuracy and stability. The 41 is chambered in 45 ACP, making it an ideal choice for personal protection or law enforcement use. The ergonomic grip and adjustable rear sight provide a comfortable and precise shooting experience, while the extended slide release and magazine catch make for easy operation. The 41 also features a durable polymer frame and a tenifer-coated barrel and slide, which increase its resistance to wear and corrosion. Whether you are a seasoned shooter or a beginner, the Glock 41 is a reliable and high-performing firearm that will meet your every need. Number 2. Glock 45 MOS is a powerful and reliable firearm designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Its modular optic system allows for easy customization with a wide range of red dot sights, making it perfect for competitive shooting or tactical applications. The Glock 45 MOS features a sleek and ergonomic design, with a comfortable grip and intuitive controls that ensure consistent accuracy and ease of use. Its compact size and lightweight construction make it easy to carry and maneuver, while its durable polymer frame and steel slide ensure long-lasting performance and reliability. With its exceptional balance of power, precision, and versatility, the Glock 45 MOS is a top-of-the-line firearm that is sure to impress even the most discerning shooter. Number 1. Glock 17 is a reliable, high-performance pistol designed for law enforcement professionals and civilian gun enthusiasts alike. With a rugged polymer frame and a durable steel slide, the Glock 17 is built to withstand the rigors of heavy use and provide consistent performance in any situation. Featuring a 4.49-inch barrel and a standard 17-round capacity magazine, this pistol delivers unmatched accuracy and power with every shot. The innovative safe action system ensures that the weapon is always ready to fire when needed, while the intuitive grip design and low recoil make it easy to handle and control.